Hi guys, happy Saturday. I found some black-eyed Susans at Home Depot, and Shane also picked one up for me too. I'll show you a little picture right here. I have two of them I'm going to plant today. I haven't seen Shane to get hers yet, so I'll show you what I'm going to do in a minute. All right, so let me give you a little rundown of where things are at and why I planted the black-eyed Susans where I did. All right, let's do the review. Okay, so we are going to start in the south and work towards the north. So you can see the hostas are doing really well. Everything's doing strong. We've had just enough water. We could use some rain. We're supposed to get some spotty showers through the weekend. So they would be nice. This is one of those red ombre cone flowers. There was two of them planted over here, but this is the only one that's growing so far. And look, there's even a little bud on it there too. So that's supposed to be here, but I'm not seeing anything. So what I'm thinking about doing is, now that I have these two black-eyed Susans and Shane has one for me to bring over, these varieties are different than the one that she has. So I'm breaking things up so it doesn't look too symmetrical, kind of, I guess, maybe as best I can. So I'm thinking Shane's variety can go in this corner here, or in this curve here. Then they'll be mine. In the center here is where the purple shisos are supposed to start growing. I've not seen anything happening with those yet. But so then anyway, then I have this other black-eyed Susan here. So I would have Shane's here, this one here, and then buy a different variety to put next to this one, because her variety is different than these two. So anyhow, I do have one of my Autumn Joys kit coming in now, so that's really nice. But even on this side over here, those red ombre cone flowers are just not kicking in. So I don't know if I'm going to be buying some new ones or if I need to be a little bit more patient. And none of the sedums in this area are kicking in. I don't know if it's still early in the season. We had that late cold spring and everything's just been a little out of whack. These are the purple hearts. I thought I had 3 of those here, but I'm just seeing 2 now. I have to go back and look at my old videos. So, and then we come to this side. It's like, the bookends are, the anchors of the garden right now. These hostas are doing fantastic. The daylilies, look how tall they're getting, right? And then you see these little clusters coming in here. Right here, there's a cluster there, and right here, those are the Mexican petunias. So I just find it really interesting that it's like the two ends are the ends that are doing the strongest. So I don't know, we'll see what happens, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.